Hey there, I am Mealtime Mentor Jenny, and I am here today with Nick Calaway, who is the head brewer and owner of Ahnapee Brewing up in Algoma, Wisconsin. And this is part of our Sips and Snacks series where we are pairing delicious food with even better beer. So, Nick, you're going to tell us a little bit about pairing beer with this lemon pasta dish. This lemon dish has a lot of really great flavors, including capers, cauliflower, arugula, and chickpeas.
Nice.
So what are we looking for here?
Yeah, so 3 C's again are going to be cut, complement, and contrast. So the only really rich thing in this pasta is going to be the chickpeas. They got that little bit of layer of fat. The carbonation is going to really be able to cut through that. But when you're talking about lemon, it ends up being one of those bigger flavors in food. So you really need the right beer to be able to compete with or ride along with. And these 3 beers here are going to be good components for this. So wheat ales in general, think of that tall Hefeweizen glass with that lemon slice. Both of these are going to go complementary that way.
Okay.
We're going a little bit different direction. We're doing our Hail Mary Helles, which is a Helles lager, and the Helles lager is very smooth. It has a little bit of hop character to it, so think of it as a less hoppy Pilsner. And the carbonation is going to be a little bit higher. You can see those bubbles kind of clinging onto the glass. And for me, this ended up being kind of like a shanty beer, which sounds really refreshing for the summer.
Yes.
It is. So these are 2 really bright things. So bright food and then also bright beer. So yeah, let's try the beer out. You can smell that, just a kiss of hops, nice grainy notes, which are going to be really complementary to the pasta. And overall, just a really smooth beer.
Yes,
And
very light,
character.
like you said.
Mm-hmm.
All right, should we give the food a try then?
Yeah, for sure. Like I said, try to get those chickpeas in there if you can.
They're kind of sneaky.
And just before you finish, try a little bit of the beer. And that beer is going to be, like I said, complementary to the food. Really brings that freshness out.
Fun.
Yeah.
The carbonation is really good too. Kind
Thanks.
of nice and light, and yeah, it pairs really well with it.
Kind of scrubs that little bit of chickpea away, just from the heaviness of it. But the lemon really goes well with the beer.
Yeah, awesome. Well, thank you so much for sharing with us today.
Yeah.
This was really fun.
Thanks for having me.
Super interesting. Make sure you check out the rest of our Sips and Snacks series on our YouTube channel. And for more recipes, visit festfoods.com/meals. Cheers.
Cheers.